Put this new one down in there. Got the same hooks. I'm just hooking it on there. Okay, the flapper is all hooked up down at the bottom. Now I've got this chain. I'm going to hook that on just the end over here. And see, it's way too long. So I'm going to have to shorten it up. So I can just undo the end of it. The end of where the chain hooked onto the hook. I don't have to keep taking the hook off. You see how that hook kind of swivels on there? I'm going to keep that part on. And so I'm going to go up, you know, 3 or 4 little lengths here and hook that back on the chain.